Hi everybody, I am back with a couple more TNs in my shop, and these are sort of geared towards Breast Cancer Awareness Month, which is now October. I did have to make a little something for that, um, for all us girls, and also a little bit of an homage to my mother, who is breast cancer free for at least about 15 years or more. So I did do something, but I didn't want to make it like, like the whole cover would be a big ribbon or anything. So I wanted to make it so that if you want to change it out and just, be with the pink and the silver, whatever, you can. And I am using the pink passport, as you can see. I just used a few sheets out of here from Hobby Lobby. I do have two of these. One I haven't cracked open yet. So these TNs are pocket size. They are in my shop right now. I only made two, and the link will be down below directly to it. If it doesn't open up to anything or just opens a blank page, then it's probably sold out. But normally I'll usually have at least one left over, depending on the popularity of it. So I used the materials from Hobby Lobby. I do have the roll for the pink one out here, and I usually get these on sale for half off. They are they're always in the ribbon section of the store on the side where fabric is, and usually on a bottom shelf. So normally they're $4.99. They do have some new ones out now, which I'm happy about. I already had picked them up, and I do have a haul on them. I also am using things like stuff that I have found at Dollar Tree. Like this right here actually came off of this pom-pom, which you're actually going to be getting. The pens come in a pack also from Dollar Tree. They actually have the pink ribbon on it. And then I did make two. Actually, I forgot to add a couple of things, which I'm going to do right now. Hold on. Okay, sorry about that. So I was on the bows. I did make my own, or altered two paper clips here. These right here, where did I get them? They came in a pack, and I don't remember where, but I got like two colors. Where did I get them? I think it was Walmart, yes. So I went ahead and made a pom-pom paper clip here, and then a bow clip using the extra material there. I do use adhesive spray from this one here. I found this big bottle on Walmart.com. I use that to adhere the larger piece to the felt that's on the inside, and then for this area here I use E6000. But sometimes, like here, I might not catch some edges, so later on, once everything is adhered and dry, I'll and kind of put together with the elastic, you'll normally, if it's going to happen, if there's any separation, you can actually go ahead and go in with a hot glue, which I did in a couple of little places, not many. So if you were to purchase this and that happens to you even after the fact, a little bit of hot glue will actually hold the pieces together. That's when because it's an adhesive, sometimes you don't get enough coverage. Anyway, so like I've said, well, first off, this is the white elastic, and this material is kind of chunky, so it kind of might make the elastic not really fray, but kind of the fibers you might see later on come off after a while. You can always change that out. And then I made my own dangle. I wanted a touch of blue on the outside, just a touch, not much, to coordinate with what's on the inside with the girls, because some of them have like blue on there. And then this is the piece that came off of that pom-pom. It's like a faux leather, and it's nice to have like a different shade of pink to pop off this color here. And then I made a bow and turned that into a dangle, and this, I'm not even sure where I got it from. It's Waverly, it may be from Walmart, I don't know. But yeah, I do have a tutorial on how I make a bow dangle, and it is listed below in a Traveler's Notebook playlist that I have. So there's a whole playlist on that, and I'm going to be working on another make a playlist or something. I don't know. I'm going to try to work on either a video or something where I can just link tutorials and things and frequently asked questions, because I don't get the chance to answer them, and they're all almost always a repeat question. So I'm going to try and see what I can do about that, because I just don't have the time to go over it so many times. So inside, again, it's lined with pink felt. I did adhere the same glitter material to do pockets on both sides. And yes, some of this stuff, it doesn't come off like after the fact, but when I cut it, it does. So eventually, once in a while, something might come off, or it's just like the remnants from when I first cut it and I can't get it all off, all the little glitter. And there are 4 inserts in here. There's a blank sheet, which is what I make. There's the folder. There's a lined, which is from Target. And then I actually finally did my own little calendar insert, which still needs work, but there's a blank calendar insert in here. So being that this is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, you know, start taking care of yourself. If you're not, I have been since my mother was diagnosed many years ago, so I was, you know, I check myself every year. And not just that, but any other medical things that you want. You know, if you haven't been taking care of yourself or going to the doctors for regular checkups, start that now. It doesn't matter what month it is, you know, you always should check yourself. I usually I do my mammograms in either January or February. I think it's February. So in this pocket, I threw in some sort of coordinating cards because I didn't really have anything to go with the actual theme. But again, you could use this for any time. And just some things, you know, this is really cute, jar of hearts. And then remember, this would be a great place to put down, remember, mammogram, or whatever other things that you want to do. I happen to have a breast cancer awareness clip, which has some glitter in it, but I don't know where I got that from, but I do have it. And let me put that away. These two are exactly the same, so I'm only going to show you the one. If I didn't say that, they have the same thing. I did make a shaker here, and Dollar Tree does have these sheets of gem stickers. So I put a couple down, but then I also am giving you some extra. And then here's my shaker, and this probably will come off if you try to peel it off, I assume. I don't know. And then you might want to just clean any residue. But I did add a little bit of blue to it, again, because of how there's blue in this paper. And you are getting my removable insert covers, which also have pockets where you can tuck in things. And then there is a credit card pocket in the front of this pocket. And then I did go ahead and make a few little die cuts using previous images that I already made, and I turned them into breast cancer awareness kind of thing. So there's the little ribbon there, and then the pen says Think Pink. So you could use this for decorating your planner, and then just a bow clip, and then these two mugs, Frida Tatas or Tatas, and the ribbon. So I thought that would be fun. I actually have these two and the pen in my planner right now. You know, I'm really behind on my planner, just by a week, not too bad. So then here's the clip that I made using the material, and I do have a tutorial on this. I think it's in my planner playlist. Otherwise, you could just type in to the description box of my channel, not the one that's on top of YouTube, but of my channel, bow clip tutorial, I believe. So, and it's super simple. You don't have to do any folding over or knotting or tying anything. It's just a flat piece that you pinch, wrap another piece around, put your clip in there, and you got a really cute bow. So no sewing involved, because you know I don't like to sew. Alright, so then this is just the other side of the shaker, which is also a pocket. So there's a couple pieces of paper in there. And then here's your second one. I did insert the booklet cover into here. That's why you see a little bit of blue. You can take it out, but yeah, so it's removable, but I haven't detached the cover from the inserts because it's stitched. So you are getting these things here, and these are the gems. You get 4. And then these 2 little actual ribbon, let me put that to the side, stickers are from Hobby Lobby. I found them on clearance. So they just have a little foam dot in the back, but it's like a safety pin with the clip, and you can stick that on anywhere you like. So you're getting 2 of those. The lined paper insert. Over here I put some sticky notes on. I put it here on this booklet, but in the other booklet I put it in the back part because my pocket was too short on this side to stick that down. So there's just some sticky notes here. It says love this on that one. And then you have your folder. I've been laminating my folders, loving the idea, and it's actually less work to do because you don't have to adhere anything. You just slide it through your laminator. And then here's where I stuck the other gem, and then here's an extra credit card pocket, and this is what I was adding when I paused. Are these, because I really don't have that many pink clips, if any. I don't even see any. So I had these tiny ones that I found at Tuesday Morning a while back. So I'm going to give you 2 of those little guys here. And the cool thing, that paper, the pink passport, is thin paper. So with that, normally I would laminate them or, you know, stick it onto something thicker. Now I don't have to do that because I'm making these covers for them, and you know, it protects it. And then for the folder, I don't have to add any extra paper because the laminate will, you know, protect it and won't mess it up. So then here's the last insert with the girls. And over here, this is the blank sheet one. This one has planner stickers from Recollections, and I had to cut them down to fit. So it's actually 3 sheets that I cut down so that you can plan out things. And this one's to get healthy, or yeah, healthy. Look, this pizza is crossed out. Wear pink and plank, really cute. And then these right here, they're actually frames with stickers within it, or you can try to peel the whole thing together. But like, there's 3 pieces to 1, and they look like little Polaroids, at least these 2 here. And same thing with this. This has 1, 2, 3 pieces, or you can try to take them apart all together. Then you got that was there, and this one, and this one. So you could put these anywhere. I'm just trying to show you how you could use these pockets. And then here's the clip that I made, really cute. And then that's the back. And then lastly, the page marker, which I made with the paper line, stuck 2 together. This is from, I'm not sure. Yeah, I can't remember. But I just stuck down a tab there and then made a pocket with that paper. Then here is your washi sample. I had nothing that would go with it other than using something with pinks, and you know. So there's your washi sample card, and then your pen holder. I made it big enough so that it will slide around this rubber part here, because that always hinders. I stopped buying these type of pens for planners because of that, but it still works, as you can see. Alright, so that is what I have now currently in the shop, on top of some other ones that are still there. I still have some Halloween stuff. I actually am going to be doing a Halloween de-stash next. So, oh, I'm sorry. Back to this. With your TN, I am also giving you this sticker pack. I almost forgot about that. I just recently found this at Dollar Tree because I just thought the whole girl theme kind of went with the whole breast cancer theme, you know, and it's cute as well. So that, and then you're going to get this that actually went with this, so it's still intact, the whole clip, which you can always change out and put it on here or put it on your purse. I did not make this part, And then you're going to get the Cancer Awareness Angel Pendant. I had a hard time taking this apart to create something for that, so I wanted to just leave it as is. You can gift it, you can take it apart, you could do whatever you like with it, but it's, you know, it's for the whole theme to go with that. So each one will have its own little gifts to go with that. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Like I said, I do have a Halloween D-stash coming up. Hopefully I'll do it right after this video. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye now.